Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. It's my pleasure to share my writing entitled Become the Ones Who Are There for Others. Everyone faces difficulties. Dealing with daily tasks often consumes all of one's energy, so it's understandable to stand by and not take action doing something. Honestly, the more time you spend helping others, the more likely you are to run into trouble. Giving others a hand can be risky. However, it creates more strength than you might expect. Every time you open your arms to catch someone before they fall, show your kind smile to those who struggle with bills and daily life, or simply keep things light-hearted, you inspire others. Even your small actions can have a big impact. Instead of being the ones who are helped, being the ones who are there for others is far more powerful. It takes generosity to embrace anyone calling for help. When you help them, you are not just offering support. You are showing them that someone will always be there for them. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.